Are you tired of navigating the complexities of industrial construction? Many companies face these same challenges, but we have the solution. Our specialized industrial construction services are designed to streamline your project from start to finish. With our expert team on your side, you can expect seamless coordination, efficient project management, and adherence to all safety and regulatory standards. Imagine having a dedicated partner who understands the complexities of industrial construction. From initial planning to final inspection, we equip you with the tools and insights needed to transform your vision into reality. Utilizing advanced technology and proven methodologies, we ensure sustainable practices while keeping your budget and timeline in check. Our expertise commitment to transparency and communication. We believe that you deserve to be informed every step of the way so you can focus on your core business while we handle the complexities of construction. Ready to elevate your project without the hassle? Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.